Tradingview is a global charting platform and social network with over 90 million users, offering 400-plus indicators, PineScript for custom strategies, and broker integration. It provides multi-asset coverage with real-time data and an intuitive interface for traders. Tradingview excels with its customizable charts, extensive indicator library, and a vibrant social network. It integrates with brokers for direct trading, supports multiple devices, and offers robust alert systems. Its PineScript is a standout for building custom strategies. While powerful, Tradingview's free plan is limited by ads and few features. Advanced tools and real-time data require expensive subscriptions. Customer service response times and steep learning curves for beginners have been noted as drawbacks by some users. Tradingview could enhance its user experience by offering more features in the free tier, faster customer support, and additional broker integrations. A simplified learning guide for beginners and reduced upgrade prompts would also benefit users. Tradingview is a top-tier platform for traders of all levels, offering unmatched tools and community insights. Its high subscription costs might deter casual users, but it's worth it for serious traders. Rating: 4.5 out of 5 stars.
Subscribe now.